Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dina Ilmayana from 7B class, and now I will presentation about my thesis proposal under title is Analysis of Multiple Choice Item of English Final Examination in the 10th grade at MA Mualimin NW Pancor in academic year 2021-2022. I will divide this proposal into 3 chapters. The first chapter is Introduction, the second chapter is Literature Review and Hypothesis, and the last chapter is Research Methodology. Chapter 1, Background of the Study. In pandemic era that had brought many changes to the world of education, including education in Indonesia. So the mean of education is a human effort that can shape the basic abilities, moral, and habit of individual from generation to generation through teaching, training, or research. In education, there is such a thing as evaluation. So the aim of evaluation is to improve the teaching and enhance the studying method. There are many techniques available for gathering information for evaluation purpose, one of which is testing. According to Gultom 2016, test is a part of assessment that can be conducted by teachers to assess the student abilities. And tests have a good criteria like have a validity, reliability, and practical. In Indonesia, multiple choice test is used. And multiple choice test is the major type of test item used in some final examination. It is used in standardized examinations such as TOEFL, IELTS, and etc. So, the teacher should need to analyze the test item to find out the effectiveness of the test and how well the item works. Scope of the study. The subject is the 10th grade student at MA Mualimin NW Pancor, and the object is analysis of multiple choice item of English final examination at MA Mualimin NW Pancor. Statement of the study. There are 3 statements of the study. The first is how difficult discriminating the multiple choice item of English final examination in the 10th grade at MA Mualimin NW Pancor. And the second is how is validity and reliability of the content the multiple choice item of English final examination in the 10th grade at MA Mualimin NW Pancor. And the last is have the multiple choice item of English final examination in the 10th grade at MA Mualimin NW Pancor completed the criteria of a good test view from validity, reliability, level of difficult, discrimination, and effectiveness of distractor. From that statement, we found the purpose of the study. The first is to explain the validity and reliability of multiple choice item of English final examination in the 10th grade at MA Mualimin NW Pancor. The second is to explain difficulty discriminating multiple choice item of English final examination in the 10th grade at MA Mualimin NW Pancor. And the last is to identify the multiple choice item of English final examination in the 10th grade at MA Mualimin NW Pancor fulfill the criteria of a good test view from validity, reliability, level of difficult, discrimination, and effectiveness distractor. Significance of the study. This research have a useful theoretically and practically. Theoretically useful to increase knowledge and as a reference for reader, and practically have 3 useful. The first is for the student. Student more actively learn and understand chemical concept well instead of just rely on memory. And for the teacher, hopefully this study to improve of the quality of evaluation process and improve in test making. And for future research, hope can become one of reference for other research. Chapter 2, Library Review. There are 2 points in library review. Point A, 6 points, and point B, 3 points. So, the main idea from both of them is Evaluation is the last process determinant to understand the quality of the process. There are 4 item analyses in evaluation, including validity, reliability, distractor, and index of discrimination. According to Mirnawati 2020, there are 4 skills will be tested in English final examination, namely speaking, writing, listening, and reading. English final examination is hoped to measure student achievement in English after learning some material during 6 months. Relevance of the study. The first similar with this research is Etika Setyaningrum thesis 2014 with the title is An Item Analysis of English Final Test for the second semester of the first grade student of SMA 2 Boyolali in academic year 2012-2013. This thesis using a descriptive quantitative method with technique of collecting data was documentary. The document that was file or data. The data were taken from 100 students in 5 classes. So the result from Setyaningrum's thesis is there are only 24% of the total test item fulfilling the criteria of a good test item. And the second similar with this research is Nova Rifki Farista thesis 2014 under the title is English Final Examination of the 11th grade of SMA 1 Jekulo Kudus in academic year 2012-2013. This thesis using qualitative descriptive research method. The data search are final examination item, student answer sheet of 11 IPS 4, syllabus, list of score in daily test. And the result is the item has a good face, content, construct, validity, but there are some items must be revising and the empirical validity is very low. The item test is not reliable and the discriminating power is not discriminate. And this item is easy and the composition must be revised. Hypothesis. There are 2 hypotheses. The first is hypothesis null. Analysis of multiple choice item is not effective to improve the quality of English final examination in the 10th grade at M.A. Mualimin NW Pancor in academic year 2012-2021-2022. And hypothesis 1 or hypothesis alternative. Analysis of multiple choice item is effective to improve the quality of English final examination in the 10th grade at M.A. Mualimin NW Pancor academic year 2021-2022. So the mean of hypothesis null and hypothesis 1 is hypothesis null, hypothesis which states that the 2 variable tests don't have significant relationship. And the mean of hypothesis alternative is hypothesis which states that the 2 variable tests have significant relationship. Chapter 3 Research Methodology. Research Design. In this research, I use descriptive quantitative research. The descriptive quantitative research used to describe the quality of the multiple choice item of English final examination in the 10th grade at M.A. Mualimin NW Pancor in academic year 2021-2022. Setting of the study. The location of this research at M.A. Mualimin NW Pancor from March to April 2022. Subject of the study. The subject of the study is the entire answer sheet of student majoring in English 10th grade, especially 10th grade science. Each class consists of 25 students. Variable. The first independent variable is English final examination. The second dependent variable is analysis of multiple choice item. Data collection. There are 3 parts in data collection. The first part is definition of key-term. And key-term, the first key-term, according to Amalia 2018, multiple choice are form of assessment in which respondents are asked to select the best possible answer. And the second K term, according to PAAN 2019 English Final Examination, is an activity carried out by educators to measure the achievement of English learned at the end of the semester. And the second part in data collection is instrument of the study. The instrument in this research is multiple choice item English final examination, syllabus, and student answer sheet at MM Alimin NW Pancor. The last part in data collection is technique of collecting data. The technique used in data collection is a documentation technique. And the last part in chapter 3 is data analysis. Data analysis in this research use descriptive quantitative analysis with help SPSS 22.0. I want to thank you to you all to take your time to listen my presentation, and I'm sorry if I have a mistake. So I'm Dina Ilmayana, and the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.